Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you would like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. And if you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36. This is the reference number 116000. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so jumping right into the dial. The dial style I currently have in my hand here is the white dial. It actually looks kind of almost like a silver dial. As I tilt it against the light, you can see there's some small reflections in the white, which is very unique to the Rolex 36 and the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36 and the 34s, where these sort of have this sort of a gleaming white dial instead of just that flat white that you typically see with, such as an Explorer 2, like that polar white dial. This has a little more capturing of the shine on the face on the white of this dial. So if you're not interested in that, however, that's not unique enough for you, there are other variations available for this watch as well. So you can also get it in a yellow champagne dial, or a silver dial, black, or even a grape dial, which is sort of a reddish purple dial. And of course, there is a blue option available as well. And instead of having these dual sticks at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock markers, you'll have the Arabic numerals 369, and that's only for the blue colored dial. So if you do like those Arabic numerals and you like blue, you're in luck for that. But besides that, very, very simple watch overall. We have index hour markers. There's no other hour marker styles besides that blue 369. They're all index hour markers fashioned 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. They're luminous for up to 8 hours, so that you have easy readability at the light during the night. And the addition of having those dual sticks for the 369s help with that readability at night, as at a glance you'll be able to easily tell the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position. It sort of follows Datejust style in terms of having the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position. Of course, that crown is also made out of that 18 karat white gold as well. Hands are 18 karat white gold, but with luminous tippings. As you can see, that sliver of white on each tip for the hour and minute hand, except the seconds hand, of course. So very simple dial overall. As we move on to the bezel now. The bezel, very simple bezel as well. This is the domed bezel. However, it's been a high polished bezel, so you can have a nice shine encompassing that beautiful white dial. Like I said, look as I tilt it against the light. You can see the nice reflection of light from the bezel, the nice reflection of light from that sort of faint glimmering white is absolutely gorgeous, and a very, very unique style of white. And that's also paired very nicely as we move on to the case now. You can see this nice high polish not high polish, but nice satin finish on the lugs of the case. You can see it sort of keeps that sporty look to it, but also being a little bit dressy as well. So that satin finish helps contrast with that nice high polish. The capturing of light just all over the face just gets helped by that satin finish that really encompasses it. It helps with the contrast to really bring more out of the face of the watch. That the face is so simple. Specifically for the size, as the name states, Oyster Perpetual 36, from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 36 millimeters in diameter. The side profile, not too high, will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely, so it won't sit high off the wrist. But it has a nice high polish on both sides, as you can see as well on the crown side. We have the nice high polish that travels with the bracelet, crown logo on the crown itself there. As we move on to the crown functions now, the crown is a simple screw down twin lock double waterproof in the system, so it unwinds counterclockwise as shown. In the standard positions where you can wind the watch, about 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more from a dead stop. Pulling the crown out to the next position will stop that second hand and allow for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds while also being able to move the hands bidirectionally and independent of that second hand. Pressing the crown back in will start that second hand once more, and always make sure to screw the crown in nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistant specifically for this Oyster Perpetual 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. This watch only comes in a Oyster style bracelet. It's the sportier of the bracelets, and it has a nice satin finish throughout. If this was a dressier watch, it'd have a nice high polish down the center instead, but this is made for more everyday wear with that nice satin finish throughout the whole bracelet, the clasp as well, and onto the other side of the bracelet as well. A nice tapering down from the first lug all the way back, as it helps keep a nice proportional view overall. As you can see, oh, I had it upside down there. And there we are, straight on view. You can see the nice proportional view and of how it will be sitting on the wrist. And moving on to the clasp is a simple clasp, however, even though it has the sportier style, polishing. We have the simple, more dressier style folding clasp, which is just a simple folding clasp. As you can see, locks in as so, and it opens up very easily as well. And you have the Rolex Oyster Perpetual, or Rolex name embossed onto that high polish clasp blade there. Very beautiful. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the movement now. So the movement is housed in this oyster case backing, nice high polish around that bordering with that satin finish at the very top of it. The movement for this watch is actually a tried and tested movement. This is over 20 plus years. It's just a very, very reliable movement. It's Rolex's in-house made caliber 3130 movement. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. And this is the movement that's also used in the no-date Submariner. It is a no-date movement, whereas a date movement would be a 3135. A no-date movement would be a 3130. And I believe that they've actually updated those movements in the newer style sports pieces. So this might be the final years for this movement, but this is a very tried and tested movement for over those 20 years, so you know it's a reliable movement. It has that precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day. They boast about the 6 o'clock position with the superlative chronometer officially certified. The oscillator is a blue paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, which adds resistance against magnetism for the watch, and also has a power reserve of a whopping 48 hours, meaning you could put this watch out on a Friday evening, pick it back up on the Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Of course, we're going to go ahead and move on. I just want to go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So, see how easy that was to put that watch on, that folding oyster, just very nice, accessible, nice, of course has a little bit of wiggle room there, as I do have an average man size wrist of a 7-inch wrist, and this watch sits for a 7.5-inch wrist. So, there's the watch on the wrist. You can see that white dial is absolutely gorgeous. It captures the nice very nicely. And you can see it doesn't sit high off the wrist as well. So very, very good everyday wear watch if you just want to get some looks on it as well. Absolutely gorgeous watch. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website, JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.